everyone, this is Archie and you are watching our channel Mind Blowing Tips. Today we are going to prepare a delicious yummy dessert, that is rabdi gulab jamun, in very simplest way. First we are going to prepare rabdi and let's see how to prepare rabdi. Here we have taken 1 liter of milk. And we will prepare this rabdi on high flame. Keep on stirring until it becomes thick. Now we are adding cardamom seeds. And here we are adding now 1/4 cup of sugar. Now see, our rabdi is ready. Now we will prepare sugar syrup. And for this we need 2 cups of water and 2 cups of sugar. I am making this sugar syrup on high flame and within 5 minutes it will be ready. Adding crushed cardamom. And you can see the syrup is almost ready. And here our sugar syrup is ready. Here we are taking this gulab jamun ready-made packet and now let's prepare the dough. And for that we are taking little amount of milk to prepare this dough. Add oil to your palm and in the plate also, so that your gulab jamun will not stick to your plate or to your hand. Make sure to give proper shape to your gulab jamun without any crack. And now it's time to heat the oil on medium flame. And you can see our gulab jamuns are so spongy, and now it's ready. Our gulab jamun rabdi is ready. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Please keep subscribing us. Thank you. Bye bye. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button and bell icon.